Hey guys, what we're doing today, working on step 8 of the elevator assembly. We're going to go ahead and rivet these two holes, riveting the control horn to the elevator. These are done with 4.0 stainless steel rivets. I guess stainless steel is a little tougher than the aluminum, so they want that riveted with stainless steel. And then there's 7 rivets on each side for these angle brackets. So these are done with 4.0 millimeter aluminum domed rivets. For real-time updates on the build, please follow me on Instagram, brads_aviation_channel. Also follow my builder's blog at bradslingtsi.wordpress.com. Total time for step 8, 30 minutes. Total time for the build so far, 55 hours. Please like this video. If you have any questions for me, leave it in the comments below. Subscribe and hit that bell so that you'll receive notifications. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.